Hi there everyone! Today's recipe is a perfect, quick and easy dessert you can whip up in just a few minutes using your microwave. This chocolate chip mug cake is bursting with vanilla fragrance and has the perfect amount of chocolate in every bite. In a microwave-safe ceramic mug, combine the raw ingredients: 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar, half teaspoon of baking powder, and quarter teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Next, add the wet ingredients: 4 tablespoons of milk, 1½ tablespoon of sunflower oil or any oil you prefer. Mix everything well. Then fold in 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips and give it another stir. Sprinkle a few extra chocolate chips on top. Place the mug in the microwave and cook on high for about 2 minutes. This cook time is based on my 750 watts microwave, so your timing might vary. Carefully remove the mug from the microwave and let stand until it's cool enough to eat. And that's it! Your quick and easy dessert is ready to enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.